So, good morning guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. For today's vlog, magluluto tayo ng ginger nuts cookies. So, ito yung ating mga ingredients. First, we have this one guys. 2 3/4 cups ito guys ng ating plain flour. Ito. So, then we have 1 1/4 cup light brown sugar. We have 225 grams butter. So we have 2 egg whites, jumbo egg whites. So molasses, 1/4 cup of molasses. 1 1/2 tablespoon of crushed ginger. We have 1 teaspoon of freshly ground salt, and we have half teaspoon of nutmeg. We have half teaspoon of baking powder, and we have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and we have 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So I think everything has been enumerated already guys, so we are going to start. First, we are going to add our butter. This one, kuha mo na ako na. So ito yung ating butter guys. So yun, ilagay natin guys ang ating brown sugar, light brown sugar. Our molasses. Half teaspoon of vanilla. Yun. And we are going to add our ginger, our egg whites. Guys, we are going to mix the wet ingredients. Tingnan nyo. So, tingnan nyo guys. Yun ang ating wet ingredients. Mix lang natin siya guys, para mag-incorporate siya lahat. You can use hand mixer guys if you want, but for me, ano lang, kaya ko naman siyang i-mix without it. So I'm just using this ladle. So anyway guys, this is pang negosyo. So kung wala tayong ibang ginagawa, pwede tayong gumawa nito at sell it. Pero ako guys, gumagawa ako dito guys for ano lang, snack namin. Snack ko kasi mas masarap yung kayo ang nag-prepare ng snack nyo. So set aside na natin guys. So now we are going to add our ingredients. So i-add natin guys first ang ating baking powder, our baking soda, our cinnamon, our nutmeg, and our salt. So i-mix natin ng maigi guys, para mag-incorporate yung lahat ng mga dry ingredients. Tapos ilagay natin dito sa ating wet ingredients. Tapos Tapos i-add natin, ay mix natin guys. So, i-mix nyo lang ng maigi. Tapos, i-add nyo yung nuts. Pag wet ang, ano guys, pag wet pa yung, yung mixture niya, kailangan yung ilagay sa fridge for 30 minutes. Para it is easy to form a ball. Pag na siya, set na siya, okay? We're going to put this on the fridge for 30 minutes hanggang mag-set siya, okay? Kasi mas wet siya. Kailangan before we are going to mold this into a ball, kailangan set siya, guys. Masyado pa siyang guys. Kailangan nating ilagay sa ating fridge for 30 minutes. Iset muna natin siya. Nag-incorporate na yung lahat ng mixture niya, guys. Kailangan i-cover natin ng cling wrap para ilagay natin sa fridge for 30 minutes para mag-set siya. Bago natin i-form ang ating ginger nut cookies, okay? So now guys, atin nang i-prepare ang ating ginger nut cookies, okay? I am your chef for the day. So, kailangan guys, magsuot tayo ng gloves. Pero, pwede naman hindi kayo magsuot ng gloves. Just wash your hands. And, let's start! We have we have also guys one half cup of white sugar, okay? So para same lang yung size niya guys, yun. Tapos, rolled natin ng ball. Tapos, lagay natin sa ating sugar bago natin ilagay sa ating molding pan. So, ito na guys. So, meron pa tayong half mixture. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung anong susunod kong gagawin. So, we're going to flatten guys. By the use of the bottom of our glass. Ganyan lang siya guys. konti lang siya. Konti lang yung pag-press natin. Yun. Lagyan natin ng konting sugar para hindi dumidikit yung... So, yun guys. So, ready for our oven guys. Lulutuin natin siya guys ng 10 to 12 minutes lang. So, gawin natin lahat guys at so we are going to continue and then I will show you the final product guys, okay? So, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, sHome, okay? So, thank you for watching guys and I will show you the final product in a few minutes, okay? Thumbs up! Look at guys, it's raining. It's raining mean. So, hopefully, that part in that area guys, oh, that's my farm. That's my corn farm. That's 1 month already. So, yun. So guys, this is now our final product, ginger nut cookies guys. Nakagawa tayo guys na 41 pieces of cookies. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe. Hit the notification bell, press all para updated kayo guys sa susunod kong mga videos. So this is sHome. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Bye-bye.